out today. Got the front bumper off, as you can see. Got our chassis mounted on. And come for a walk this way. We've got a 15,000 pound winch.
Wow. Ooh, wow.
Bolt in.
Yep.
And we have our Bulbar. We've been waiting 4 months for now.
4 months, thanks to Off-Road Creative.
Almost there.
Hmm.
Right, let's get going. Flickering that over. More off. I'm ready.
You have to cut that.
So you just cut the bar right now. Yeah, but you're going to line up the position of this one. Yeah. But then you can't get to the bolts for that. To tighten them up. That's the bolt holding them. Righto guys, tonight in the workshop we've got the Chevy in here and we have our flares, but we want to start a little bit of a poll because we want to know, come around here, if we run black flares or if we should paint them white. Let us know, what do you reckon? Black or white? I'm undecided. Hello everyone, thanks for tuning back in. So this will be a video about our Bulbar. So hard to find a Bulbar that actually fits these and looks half decent in my opinion. So what do you reckon? Let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
Talk a bit about who it was built by, what it's made out of. Sounds fancy when I say it like that, eh?
Must be nice.
What goes into fitting one of these Bulbars? We fitted it ourselves. What size winch we are running in it, what light bars and lights we have in it, which the blue cover gives it away. Steady light bar, steady
Fog lights.
Fog lights, running a 15,000 pound carbon winch, which you can see through this little hole. And on the hook, bit hidden away in there, but these cutouts are actually also for your hand, and that's how you get to your winch control to free spool it and not. Recovery points, so these are separate to this section and this section. They're separate in a way, so this is where it gets technical. So basically when we pulled our factory bumper bar off, what you're left with on these, I'm not sure if the other American vehicles are like it, but this one here, the Silverados are like it. So over in America they've got massive big hooks just here, and that's where they mount their snowplow attachments. So they're like a massive big rated recovery point normally. So what that bolts up to is like a massive steel plate just behind there. So when we undo our front bumper bar, it's quite difficult to take off. It's quite difficult. You finally get it off and you're left with them two massive mounts. So these here actually go up, slide over your chassis rail, and then what we've done was you cut that recovery hook, you cut the ends off because it's a solid big steel sleeve where the bolt goes through your chassis rail. Put it back in. You bolt the one side up here, bolt the other side up there, and then this is your big bash plate. So if you shine under here, you're gonna see it goes all the way up. So I think it's all 5mm. So this actually slides out. So you got your two big hooks, and then you've got where your winch cradle slides in and then bolts up, and then this here slides through all of that and bolts through all of that again. So it's a massive, solid, heavy design. But this section here is actually aluminium. So, and then it bolts up to these through here basically. So we didn't take a lot of videos doing this. We got excited and we sort of just unwrapped it and fitted it.
It like got here halfway while we were doing the tray, and we just sort of like we're little
excited.
Kids on Christmas.
We waited 3 or 4 months.
November was when we ordered it.
Yeah. So it took quite a while, but I don't know, I think it was worth the wait. I haven't seen a bar that looks quite as good as these. So who built the bar was Off-Road Creative. So that's their symbol just there. Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with it.
It's got our sensors in it, you know, keeping all our sensors in place so we can park this thing, because if I stand here, you're not going to see a small child. So you need them in place. As for the light covers, you don't have to have them on there, we can take them off. The blue just looks cool when you turn the fog lights on, that's all. Then we got the top rail, and we also got the driving light mounts in here, or aerial mounts. Don't mind how filthy the car is. We got an auto electrician to wire everything up, just because of how far the winch and all that had to run. We didn't have the cable and stuff like that, so they wired everything up. So the actual control box for the winch is in here, which you can probably only see the colour, or you might see the writing.
You can see it.
On an isolator under the bonnet. But the cool thing about these carbon winches is, I'll get the controller. So we've got this controller, and all you do, so the winch, the isolator's turned off, so I won't turn it on. But all you do is hold the in and the out for like 5 seconds. This here will light up red, and then that's your winch turned on. So you don't actually have to plug it into that box, you don't have to do anything like that. But what we did get the auto electrician to do, because if the batteries ever go flat in this and you still need to plug the actual winch in, they ran it into our glove box, so we don't have to run with the old Land Cruiser and that. We used to have the winch all over the bonnet, around the mirror, in the mud, and now we just plug it in the glove box winch, or we just use this. So heaps easier design.
So that's the glove box winch.
To the winch, yeah.
Yeah.
Because these cars don't have any blanks, like there's nowhere to put a blank switch.
Yeah.
I didn't want them to run it into here or anywhere like that and make a mess of the dash.
Yeah.
So we just said put it in the glove box. Everything goes in the glove box anyway. So that would just plug in there and we just go straight to the driver's seat. So done. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like the videos, you know, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.